Hi, this is Todd. When we write simple command line programs, we often have to test them many times. In this example program written in Python 3 and the development environment, Ubuntu Linux, we type in a number and the number +1 is printed to the console. To automate this action of entering input to the console for a command line program and checking for expected output, we have two shell scripts, input daemon and test example, a text file for the input, and text files for the expected output and actual output. Here we have code on the left and diagrams on the right to illustrate. Basically, test example runs the example program in the background with its output directed to the actual output.txt file. Input daemon is then run. Here we see that input daemon then gets the text from the input file, then waits for the example program to appear in the background as a running process. Input daemon then uses the PID of the example program to locate the file descriptors for it and sends the input to the file descriptor for standard input of the example program. Without this loop here in test example, the program output will not actually be directed to the text file because of the way standard output works. Going back to test example, after input daemon is run and input is sent to the example program, the program continues and then exits in the background, sending output to the actual output.txt file. After that, the output text file is compared with the expected output. When we run test example, the test passes, but if we change only one of the input file, the expected output, or the program, the test will fail. Obviously. In the next video, we will expand the testing scripts to be able to test for multiple outputs.